Matt Paris said, the unified namespace has a communication component. Yes, all the smart things are connected together, and an information component. Master data it has a communication component and information component. It also has a data component. I want to delineate the difference between data and information. Data is not actionable. Information is. Data is just a data point, something that happened, and when it happened. Information is something you can act on. Sometimes a raw data point, if you have more than one value, so I have the last 3 values of a specific data point, that becomes information because I might be able to act on that. It could show me a trend, right? But he says UNS has a communication component and information component. Master data model can be the basis for defining the information model that should be implemented by the actual devices. Exactly. Every organization has a master data model for that business. Like every organization has that, okay? But they don't have it in one place. They try to put it in the ERP system, okay? The problem is, if you were to go, let's say you were to go in and you were to do like a select star join on the full master data model of an organization in an ERP SQL backend. So a select star join so that I had all the entities extended and their relationship, and I selected all of them. You would that master data model would never be what if you were to turn it into a tree structure. Okay. So if you were to put that in a tree structure, it would not be an accurate representation of your digital infrastructure. What we tried to do was jump that hurdle by taking the digital infrastructure, telling it what place in the semantic hierarchy it reports to, and have everything report. And then by using a broker, we can visualize what it actually looks like out there. Not only that, not just the structure of what it looks like out there, but what all the current values are right now. And then we could take smart software, we could take software, plug into that. We could consume from what it really looks like out there and what the real values are. We could post-process, we could create more information, and we could put it back into we could add to it. And then you could put plug consumers into it who could then consume all the information, not just the stuff that's in the ERP or not just the stuff that's in the PLC. Okay. Liam Doyle, what about using data from the edge to create a unified namespace, and then from the unified namespace data, create a digital twin of whatever object you wish to model? For example, a production machine, a production line. That's exactly how we do it, Liam. It's literally, we make the digital twin a subscriber of the unified namespace of only the part of the namespace that you want to simulate. Last out loud, master slave, I support RTU civil rights. Let me say, Will Healy's point is well taken. Let me just say that. I respect that Will published that did put that post on LinkedIn, and what I'm doing is answering the questions that came to me. Walker, what's your opinion on this? I wouldn't have commented on it if people didn't ask me. Yes, Alan Ramsey speaks volumes regarding the 2 types of namespaces, definitional and functional. Definitional is the master data model space. Functional is the function of the business.